In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Keyboard section. Click on On-Screen Keyboard and finally Keyboard. Now you need to tap on Theme, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And in order to save it, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it instead, just go into the same settings, but this time instead of scrolling down, click on this plus icon under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!